Hello all. This time we will illustrate a new example to link all our drawings to Trimble Connect 3D. This is a very powerful tool that we can see here. For example, this is our 3D here. Let's check, for example, this drawing for the truss. You can just double click the truss and you will have the sheets here for the sheet 1 and sheet 2 as a PDF. Once you click on them, it will be loaded directly and will be opened on the PDF. All the drawings for all the pieces is linked to the 3D model as well. One moment, it's loading. Yes, this is the 3D PDF that can be shown for this truss. Okay. Yes. So any member, I can have direct link to its drawings. For example, let's try something else. Let's try this column. For example, I can double click this column and it will be shown here for the PDF exactly, and it will load it automatically through the PDF here. And here we get the column drawing. For this project, I have not only uploaded the assembly drawings, but only I have uploaded the single pass drawing, and it can be easily illustrated here and can be easily shown by not only for the selected, for the single part. Now I can have the NC files for this part, and I can have the shaft part, and I have the assembly part for the same column. This can be shown here that this is the shaft for the needed column. The same thing can be obtained here for the truss. For example, I can have the shaft for the top code here. If I double click for the shaft drawing, which is the single part drawing, I can have the NC files for this shaft, and I have got the shaft drawing for the single part for the top code as well. How can I start this? Let's illustrate how we can start this through Trimble 2025, and it's automatically included in 2026 releases. Okay. Now we will go to Tekla structure, and we'll need to download the link documents to Trimble Connect macro. This macro will help us to upload all our documents, single parts, NC files, GAs, and anything in our model that we have any documentation of our model up to directly to the Trimble Connect. And we will have options here. For example, there will be Trimble Connect project. We can select from our projects here, for example, this project. It will be automatically uploaded to either an IFC or direct to Tekla model. I'm directing it to Tekla model directly. And if you need if you need to an IFC, you can select an IFC to be uploaded. And now we can upload the assembly drawings and the single part, cost units, GAs, NC files, and anything you need to be uploaded to your Trimble Connect. The second thing is to create a Trimble Connect folder. It's supposed to be more efficient to choose the folder that will load in the uploaded file in. So if I open this folder, it will open all the folders inside my Trimble Connect folders to choose which one that the uploaded files that should be linked to each member is in. We'll stay up for a while. Yes, now I have updated something in the linked documents. I have created a folder previously, and I have stated that all the folders should be included in the assembly folder, and we'll say okay, now it will be included in the assembly folder. And so will be for the single parts and for the cost units and for GAs and NC files and everything. Other than this, I'll start to select pieces from the model or select all the model. You can select only from the model here by the drawings or by objects selected in the drawing. Other than this, you will press play to update whether it's a PDF or DWG and PDF as well. In the DWG also you can choose the setting of the DWG export that you are using. And you can use, of course, the STV for plates, for shaft, for NC files, for the cold forms and everything. It will take much time because I have a lot of documents, the nearly 2000 documents for this project, so it will take a lot of time. So I'll get you direct to the result. The result is what we can see here. It's just once you've finished, you will have the linked drawings here in the release folder. You can check all the links drawing. This for the assembly drawing PDF folder and PDF assembly drawings. You will have all the assembly drawings here, okay, for this shop. And the same is for each file, which is the single part, the GAs and so on. Later on, you can just click for the 3D view. If you need to show all the linked drawings, you can just show the link here, and you will have all the linked parts shown, all the linked drawings and linked documents is shown here to the parts. Any document here, you can just click and have it here. For example, this is a thrust sheet and so on. This is for shaft and for the sheet 1 and sheet 2 and so on. Hope this information is useful for you. It's more useful than me. It's more useful for me because it's always linked my project to the outriggers in the field, so that if they have got any problem, they can have easily the parts, the single parts and the assembly parts in their hands easily. Also in the shop, because the shop is far away from me, they can use the shop to know which part is located in the 3D is effectively, and this reduces the amount of error and that reduces the questions that should be raised by the shop, either just the shop or the riggers in the field. Thank you for that and wish you a good day. Thank you.